Tape script 1.2.1.
Hi, Pisat. It's me, Hieng.
Hi, Hieng.
Listen, Pisat. It's about the trip to the zoo. You're going, aren't you?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I may, but I may not. I can't decide.
Oh, please go. You'll love it. The school has hired a bus, and there's lots of free food and drink.
Okay, I'll go.
Good. What are you going to take with you?
Well, if the school is going to give us free food and drink, I'll just take my phone. Oh, I might take a bottle of water to drink on the bus.
Good idea. I can't decide what to wear.
Just jeans and a t-shirt will be fine.
I suppose so. But I might wear my new black trousers. I'll think about it. Or I might wear my blue dress.
Okay, wear the black trousers.
I've had them a year now, so they may be too small.
Okay, wear the blue dress.
It's a bit too short to wear to the zoo. I might just wear jeans and a t-shirt.
What time does the bus leave?
It will leave at 6 a.m. So early. I might ask my dad to take me to the bus.
Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Bye.
Yeah, see you in the morning. Bye, Pisat.
Tape script 1.2.2.
Listen, check, and repeat. A. I may, but I may not. I can't decide. B. Oh, I might take a bottle of water to drink on the bus. C. But I may wear my new black trousers. D. I might just wear jeans and a t-shirt. E. I might ask my dad to take me to the bus.
Tape script 1.2.3.
Listen and repeat. A. Tiger. B. Crocodile. C. Leopard. D. Giraffe. E. Lion. F. Elephant.
Tape script 1.2.4.
What time will we get to the zoo?
The driver said we could get there at about 1 p.m. if the traffic isn't too bad.
We may get there early because the bus is going very fast.
I'm so excited. We might see lions and tigers.
We could see the bears if they aren't sleeping.
I really want to see the leopards.
Yeah, that would be great. It's very hot, so we may not get to see the crocodiles because they like to lie in the shade and sleep when it gets hot.
It's so good to hang out with friends at the weekend instead of working in the restaurant.
Yes, it's great to spend time with you and Pisat. Hey, there might be giraffes at the zoo. I love their long necks.
There could be giraffes there, but I'm not sure.
I wonder if we can buy souvenirs at the zoo.
I'm sure you can. You might even be able to buy pictures of the animals.
That would be great.
Hurry up, Buzz.
Tape script 1.2.5.
Wow, it's warm today.
It sure is.
I hope it feels cooler tomorrow.
Why?
Because I might have to help my father. He wants to build a new workshop behind the house. Hey, would you two like to help?
Sorry, Pisat. I might have to go into town with my mom because she wants to watch my sister play guitar in the school concert. Then, I may have to help in the restaurant. One of the waiters is sick. I wish I had more free time to help you and your dad, but I'm so busy.
What about you, Hyung? What are you doing tomorrow?
Oh, well, I may not have much time tomorrow. I might go shopping with some of the girls from school, or I may have to clean the house for my mom. I would love to help you and your dad. I really would, but I'm just so busy. I always have a busy schedule at the weekend.
Sounds like you two are making excuses.
No!
I could have some free time on Sunday, but I can't promise.
Me too. I might have some free time in the afternoon, but I do have a busy schedule too. But I will try.
Thanks, guys. It'll make things a lot easier if you two can help.
Tape script 1.2.6.
Listen and repeat. A. Because I might have to help my father. B. I might have to go into town with my mom. C. Then I may have to help in the restaurant. D. I may not have much time tomorrow. E. I could have some free time on Sunday.